Skeleton Hiccups by Marjorie Kyler and illustrated by S.G. Schneider. Skeleton woke up. Had the hiccups. Brushed his teeth. Polished his bones. Carved a pumpkin. Picked some leaves. Played with ghosts. Ghost told Skeleton, hold your breath. Eat some sugar. Press your fingers over your eyeballs. Some water. Upside down. Ghost made a face. Said boo to Skeleton. But nothing worked. The hiccup stayed. Then Ghost got smart. Found a mirror and held it up. Skeleton screamed. The hiccups left. They jumped away. Hooray!